Hi everyone. Let's answer today the most common question is how to connect vintage radios. Okay, so who knows? They know that it's very simple to do that. It's very basics, but and also we always do recommend use the professionals, but people tend to do all the work on their own. So I will explain you how to do it on your own. Okay, I do have here a couple different models, different scenarios, and there is a few bits and tricks you have to know about them. Okay, so this is the most common situation. Okay, with the vintage radios. Um, First thing you have to know, you have to look around the radio. Okay, you have to make sure what voltage is it. Some radios before 1970s, for example 1960s, 1965, they are 6 volts. Okay, so you have to make sure the voltage of the radio. So just grab the radio, take a look around, and read the labels. Okay, this one is 12 volts, right? So 12 volts is most common. Okay, so here is the back of the radio. Okay, um, the last one pin is always negative. It's ground. If here is no, or you can't find the last pin, always remember that the radio body is the ground or negative. The second one is always positive. Okay, and here's sometimes 3, sometimes 1, sometimes 2 pins. Okay, so these always are positive. Some of them for automatic antenna, some of them for illumination and whatever. So don't be afraid to put the positives, 12 volts here, and have a look what they are for here. So the last one is always negative, second one is positive, and the rest also positives. And here is the speaker connectors. You have to get all types speaker connectors. There are 2 pin, very basic, very simple. The big one is always negative, the small one is positive. Okay, there is another example. Simple push in, and that's it, right? So let's try another radio. Now this one. Okay, as you can see, here is no connectors, it's the hanging wires. So this one, the red, positive, and just look around, and here is another pin, you see, to the body. This one is negative. Also read the labels, 12 volts, right? And there is one channel for speakers, the same connector. Okay, let's grab another one. Same situation. As you can see here is no pin for ground. Okay, just look around the radio and you will see in the corner right here, it's to the body again, and it's ground or negative. Here is the only one pin, it's positive. Here is 2 channels, right and left, and that's a ground. Okay, sometimes there are a bit more complicated radios. Okay, like this one. This radio runs 6 volts and 12 volts, and you have to be very careful, because if you put 12 volts to 6 volts, you are in trouble. Okay, your radio will burn. So this is the pin. You have to take it out in order to change the voltage. Now it's 6 volts. Now it's 12 volts. Okay, so this one is a bit tricky. Sometimes like this one, sometimes it's another switch to switch from 6 to 12, and please make sure you put the correct voltage to the radio. Sometimes there are labels with the diagrams on the radios, okay? So always take the radio, take your time, look around and read everything, okay? I hope this video helped you a bit, and that's it. Thumbs up.